Are you on the road to monetization? I've just hit the 1,000 subscribers. Have a quick look here. If I go to my YouTube channel, if I go to youtube.com, you can see, or you see the studio, YouTube studio. I've got 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much, 1,007. And over here, I get to see this change here, 1K. All right. Wow. But what I want to show you is this. On monetization, on the monetization tab, I have now applied for the Google AdSense. And so that is going to, that's got to get approved. That says it can take up to several days. Once that happens, I then have to get my YouTube channel reviewed. And they want to make sure that I follow the YouTube monetization policies, that I don't have anything that's illegal or things like this. Then once that gets approved, then when I go into the monetization tab, I should be able to turn on ads. I'm going to share with you just the process so that you are you're on top of it yourself. But now, let me know in the comments, are you on the road to monetization? Are you planning, are you hoping to get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time? Are you hoping to do it or not? Just answer yes if you are, if you're trying to, and if you want, tell me what is your biggest challenge in getting there. But for now, I want to thank you so much for subscribing and for viewing. You can see that I've had nearly 500,000 views on my channel. Now, most of that has happened in the last 3-4 months, okay, since April this year. It can happen pretty fast. So let me know in the comments, are you hoping to monetize your channel? If you are, just say yes. And if you're finding it a challenge, tell me what your biggest challenge is.